Hello, welcome to my Sunday Frown. Today I'm at Kroger's and I'm here to pick up a few things, and I was thinking Cincinnati chili for dinner anytime sounds good to me, and these prices are pretty good. $2.69 or $2.99. This is a generic, this is Gold Star, so the cans are like $5. So these are the cans. These are pretty inexpensive. The small one is $4.99, and if you add up the cost of making it yourself, it's probably cheaper, although you probably want to make it yourself. But it does come with spaghetti for $6.99, and you get a pack of 4 for $22.99. $23 is a steal for me. But like I said, if you want to make it yourself, it's going to be healthier, although you can see it's pretty inexpensive. Another thing I really like is beef stew. Beef stew with noodles or rice. Anyhow, I love beef stew. You can add your own spices to it. So I just got a pack of that, and you can't go wrong with Chef Boyardee if you're not feeling well or you just want to kick back. Those are pretty good. Now they're 4 for $5. Right now, because it's land season, all the seafood is really inexpensive, so I'm kind of liking those deals. I like they have La Rosa's lasagna here. It's pretty cool. Meatballs. I've never seen that before. We're gonna have to go there one day. But here's some of the deals. And there's so many recipes you can make with crab meat, but I think I'm gonna pass this time because I kind of want chicken. That's what I've been looking for: chicken, sausage, cookout type foods. Here's the sausage and hot dogs. Like, these are cute little smoked sausages for $1.49. It says 7 ounces. John Morrow. And the Kroger's is $6.50. And let's see if I can find any more deals. Oh, there are more deals. Those are good for $3.99. If you're vegan, these are good. There's chicken patties and bean burger for $4.99 on sale. These are good because, like, I like to chop them up and add them to any meal. They even have breakfast sausage too. And Dino Bites. This is the clearance. You can get stuff on sale for like 50% off. So this is $2.50. You can get it for like, I don't know, 75 cents. Yeast rolls. Those are blueberry muffins. Brioche buns, $2.30. Cake is $4.08. It's good cake. And these poppy seed, lemon poppy seed are $3.01. It's a good deal. So this is the first deal. And all the eggs are gone. So where are all the eggs gone? They have like 2 dozen eggs. Oh, here they are. Those are $5.50, almost $6. All the eggs are gone. And this is pasta. You just boil this pasta and make it But I came here to this section for some cheese. And of course they have cheese. I think with the card you get $2.50 each. It says gachek, queso quesadilla. They also have tortillas for $2.99, the big ones. And then the mercado ones are $1.99. See, I'm not lying. And then what are these? Mercado uncooked tortillas for 17 ounces or $1.79, so those are cheaper. And these, you like fry them or bake them. Sopes are $3.50. So it's pretty good deals. Look at all the bean sales. I was thinking maybe I can use some black beans. Get a good can. I like pinto, but I like them already mashed, and these are 89 cents. And look, they got the chili beans, 89 cents. All these vegetables are on sale. 4-pack $3.29. Collard green $2.50. I got me some mixed greens. Check it out. I'll show you guys later at home. Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. So we're back, and I spent a 20 at Kroger's. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me as much as I enjoyed shopping with you guys. I saved $1.55 out of the entire purchase. And so I mean, there's probably, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 purchases that totaled $15.98. The total, I think it's without tax, because it did come out to 17, but it's probably with the markdowns on the mixed greens and the bakery rolls. The mixed greens, I saved 30 cents. So here's what we got. We got Italian style vegetables, and I got this for soup. I got some cheese. Here's the mixed greens. So I got like 3 things right. Here's the 4th thing, was a can of black beans that I want to make pupusas with. Then I got these rolls that I'm going to be making sandwiches. They're 50% off, and they're just yeast rolls. I got this sausage. This sausage is always pretty inexpensive. It's under $2 usually. And I got this John Morrell smoked sausage for like $1.50 or so. Then, because I'm going to be making sandwiches and soup and pupusas or whatever, I'm going to make tacos. I have this for $5. It's a piece of white onion, a piece of red onion, 3 slices of thick cut tomatoes, and a few leaves of lettuce. It's pretty, like, it's not a lot of veg, but it's enough veg for me for a week. And for $5, it just cuts down on the time and the expense, because I think these were $1.29 or like $1.30, and you know, tomatoes cost too. They're like $1, less than $1.50, right? And of course lettuce is what, usually about $2.25, I'd say. So I mean, instead of buying the whole thing, I just bought them cut, already made. And actually, I think it's pretty inexpensive if I were to buy the whole thing. That'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. It'd be around the same price. But I mean, I just wanted, out of convenience, just to go in and get out. And this was less than $1.50. I think it was, let's see, the bologna costed $1.89. Oh, so this was $2. And it's a pound of bologna, regular size, classic bologna. So that's about it. So I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for shopping with me. Maybe we'll do it again soon. And I'll see you guys later. Hope you guys weathered the storm last night. I heard it blow in and creep out, and everything's fine. Brace for this, I think this weekend, or whenever another storm blows in, it's a coming. So I heard this one's gonna be chilly, so be prepared, guys, and I'll see you guys later on the next one, my Sunday Front. Bye-bye.